I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to activate notifications on your Bell Canada account, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bell Canada website and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage your settings. Step 2. Navigate to notification settings. Once logged in, look for the Settings or Preferences section, usually found in the main menu. Click on it to access your notification settings. Step 3. Enable notifications. In the notification settings, you will see various options for types of notifications you can receive. Toggle on the notifications you want to activate, such as billing alerts or service updates. Step 4. Choose your delivery method. Select how you want to receive notifications via email, SMS, or app notifications. Make sure to enter the correct contact information for the chosen method. Step 5. Save changes. After making your selections, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the page. If you miss this step, your preferences want to be updated. Now you're all set to receive notifications from Bell Canada. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for help.